Hey everyone, it's CJ. It's hot outside and I'm thirsty and I want some carbonated lemonade, but the science book doesn't tell us how to, so we're skipping the science book and we're making homemade carbonated lemonade. In order to make carbonated lemonade, basically, all you need is 1 lemon. I'm just using stevia. If you want to, you can use sugar. That would probably taste better, but I'm using stevia. You're going to want water, baking soda, a cup, measuring instruments, and a knife. Okay, so you probably already know how to make lemonade. Just take the juices from the lemons, put in water, and mix stevia or sugar with that. And that's basically how to make lemonade, but we're trying to carbonate lemonade, and every single website that I looked at, they always said to use a machine, so I was wondering, how do we carbonate lemonade? And then I thought to myself, what if I mixed baking soda with water? What would happen? Seriously, I just made it up on my own, and I just thought of that, and then I looked it up, and turns out baking soda mixed with water creates sodium carbonate, which is exactly what we use to make carbonated drinks, sodium carbonate. And even better, sodium mixed with water is good for your digestive system, so I guess this will be a healthy carbonated lemonade. Okay, so because I didn't find any websites that spoke about carbonating water this way without using a machine, I'm gonna have to find out the ratio of water to baking soda on my own. So I'm gonna start off with half a teaspoon of baking soda with a glass filled with cold water. Maybe a little bit less than half a teaspoon. That looks like a fourth, maybe 2/3. Okay. Not stir this. Oh, this already looks like carbonated water. Okay, so it was already clear. Clears out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drink this. Oh, that is way too much baking soda. Okay, so let's restart. Fill up the glass. And we're gonna go with, this is a 1/4 teaspoon measurement, so I'm just gonna do half of this, and that should be 1/8 teaspoon. Hopefully that's not too much. Last time was terrible. And now I'm going to use my 1/2 teaspoon measurement. Stir this up. And we're gonna let it sit. Okay, we let it sit for maybe 7 or 8 minutes. I'm gonna drink this. not as bad as before. I can't tell any carbonation with that. I'm going to do a 1/16 of a teaspoon next time. Okay, let's try 1/16 of a teaspoon. Literally just like barely anything. Because last time was nasty. Like literally that much. And we're gonna mix it with some water. Actually, I'm gonna pour out a little bit more. Okay. And now let's stir this. Stir it good. Now we're gonna wait for a bit. Finally, after another probably 6 minutes, taste testing, 1/16 of a teaspoon of baking soda. Doesn't really taste too good, but adds slight taste, and I guess it might actually help in the end. Okay, we have our lemon, and we'll cut it with a knife. Ooh. Wow. Look at this. Cut so easily. Ooh. Oh, it's just bursting. That's nice. Because we're using a knife, make sure you have adult supervision. Okay, so take half the lemon. Keep going. Okay, so now that we got this good, it actually tastes pretty good, and even better, surprisingly, either the lemon or the baking soda that we used actually gives it a slight carbonated taste. Just small, but it's still pretty noticeable. So this is 1 teaspoon. I don't think I'm going to pour the entire teaspoon of stevia in. So this is pretty good. Poured that in. And now, let's stir this up. Okay, so that's the sound of my sister drinking the one that I made for her. So, whew, this looks good. I'm gonna try it.
That's the hard stuff.
Okay, so I'm gonna try it. That is amazing. That is like, that's better lemonade than when I drink from store-bought lemonade. If you tried this experiment, please comment below. This is amazing. Cue in the outro.